Day 76, had a good night, headed back to the trail now. It was easy to find the best place here in Salem, Virginia. It's right on the sign. So back on from where we left off, we are headed to McAfee Knob. And if you see in there's a John Springs shelter in there. We don't care about it. I'm either very, very close or I'm at McAfee Knob. No matter what, there's an overlook here. I think it's it, but we shall see. Yeah, this is it. Quite as busy as I thought it was going to be, which is nice. Still a lot of people. You can see that. Yeah, there's a pretty good drone flying here. This is quite a view. Oh yeah. One more view before we go. I don't know if you can see it out there. It's the Roanoke Airport. Young man. All right, next stop, 4.9 miles, Tinker Cliffs. I don't know if you can see it out there. It's a reservoir right in between on the bottom, on the top of those trees. We can see that from the whatever we were at, the last thing, way up high, but it was small. We've made our way all the way over here, and the trail is getting all crazy again. So this is it. It goes up in there into those trees. You know, snakes scare me. I haven't seen one in a couple days. It's nice. And I'm coming down off this ridge. You can kind of see this here, around here, and it's a real slope hill. And I come around and I see this, and I think it's a giant bear. Literally 40 feet from me, but it's a big black cow, and I have no idea how he's up here. What y'all doing? Huh? They're like, hey, you're not the food guy. All right. Am I going by? All right. Okay. They're nice. Some more. I don't know where the guys are coming from. Little guy over here. That's a bull there. Another one. It's about 4 o'clock. We do a lot of climbing and normal day. But the last thing is the Tinker Cliffs. It's the last big thing to see today. 3 big things were yesterday hitting the Dragon's Tooth, and then today McAfee Knob, and now Tinker Cliffs is the 3rd thing. Very cool. AT's this way though. And what a great shelter if you need, if it was a bad storm or something. Really good. So the map says this is it, Tinker Cliff. It's pretty hard. I think this is it. I think the map says it's just a little bit further down, but Tinker Cliff. There's another little one right up there. So we'll see. So here's the actual cliff. It's not much different. We've hiked through a lot of stuff like this today. It's been very cool. It's been a good day. Our stuff to see. I think that, I don't know if you can see that roof there. This is I think Lambert's hostel. So we're pretty close to the end of the day. I think this is, well, I don't think, I know this is the last chance for water for a while. So we're gonna go 2.5 more miles. We'll get in kind of late, but it's been kind of a lazy, leisurely day, which will be fine. Yeah, this is it. That's Lambert's Meadow. That's what it was, Lambert's Meadow. That's pretty cool. It's got a bear box.
Privy?
Privy, barbecue grill. Got a fridge with beer in it, it'd be real good. Should be the last view of the day. That's real good. So it's a little after 7. We've got a mile to go for where our campsite's going to be. We'll have a cruisy 6.5 in tomorrow into Daleville. So we do a normal Nero, get town food and twice, and restock and that kind of stuff, and make plans. We had kind of a little bit of a Nero yesterday. Got some town food and everything. So between those 2 and 3 days, it should be sort of like a day off.